Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 16.2, the secret of applying exponential smoothing to volatile data. We're going to take the most recent gas prices. I showed you a previous example of using moving averages. Moving averages have some stickiness, but then because you have this 14 or 10-day lag. Look, this is a micro feature that economists and analysts, they spend their entire life trying to figure out. We're not going to delve too deep into this because this is oversimplified. What we're going to do is we're going to use some factor to try to smooth out some predictability. Formula is very straightforward. I took 5-year gas prices. I took an average. I just took the gas value here in column B, which is unleaded gas spot price. I just took 5-year average. We're going to try to smooth that out. Gas prices is 271. We're going to try to offset that against this current volatility. We're looking at B21, and we're going to multiply that times this smoothing factor up here. That's the exponential smoothing factor, and that's random. You can play with this as long as you want. If you think the volatility is more or less, just change it. This is simply an example. We're going to multiply that times H7. That's this number up here. Then we're going to add F19, which is the 5-year average. Okay, B21 is the current price. You could use the 10-day average. You can play with this all you want, but the point is we're just trying to smooth this out. Then we're going to take plus F19 times 1 minus H7, or the predicted price is 312 based on the 5-year average. We look at this 21-day average. Predicted price, unleaded gas, should be 409. You could go in and you could do regression analysis to better define this. And that's what I would do. That'll be in other statistics courses. I would set oil prices to some factor, maybe GDP, maybe inflation, maybe I would do some correlation and try to figure out what's the best tools to use. This is just an exponential smoothing factor. It's really simple. Just follow this formula, B21, which is this price here, times the smoothing factor, plus H19, times 1 minus H7, 409. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.